Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check balance on Visa gift card. So you will be just on the Google and make a search of this, and you will make sure you will just tap on the first one, visa.com. So this is the official of the Visa checking gift card website. So when it's completely load, I will just show you how to use it easily. So you will be just tap on it to accept it, and simply you will be just choose it from the here. I will just tap on it the Visa Vanilla gift card. I will just tap on it simply, and I will just show you how to make them put some information, and you will be able to see the gift card options right over here. Simply you will just have to enter card details to check balance, review transactions or activate gift card. So simply you will just add the 16 digit number of your card and expiration date, month and year, and on the card backside you will see the CVV code. So just simply just tap on it to continue. So it will show you the all activate gift cards. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.